iPhone users are sitting on a gold mine of powerful video editors without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to tell you the absolute best video editing apps for iPhone, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one to download for quick TikToks, which one for serious YouTube videos, and which one if you want desktop-level power right on your phone. Let's start with the one you've probably seen everywhere, CapCut. CapCut is insanely popular for a reason. It's free, it's fast, and it's built for social media. If you're making TikToks, Reels, or Shorts, CapCut is basically your best friend. You get auto captions, trending templates, huge music and sound libraries, filters, smooth slow motion, and AI tools that can remove backgrounds or clean up your audio. It's perfect if you want your videos to look professional, but you don't want to spend hours learning complicated software. If you only install one editor for quick content, make it CapCut. Next, let's talk about LumaFusion. This one is for people who are serious about editing. If you've ever wished your iPhone could edit videos like a laptop, LumaFusion is that app. You get multiple video and audio tracks, advanced color correction, precise keyframing, and powerful audio tools all in your pocket. A lot of mobile filmmakers and YouTubers literally edit their full videos on LumaFusion. It's a paid app, but if you care about professional-level control and you don't want to carry a laptop everywhere, LumaFusion is worth every cent. Now let's move to Adobe Premiere Rush. If you already use Adobe apps or you want something that easily syncs with your computer, listen up. Adobe Premiere Rush is designed to be simple, fast, and cross-platform. You can start editing a video on your iPhone, then open the same project on your computer later. You get easy timeline editing, titles, transitions, and it connects nicely with Adobe's ecosystem. It's not as deep as LumaFusion, but it's much easier to learn, and that's perfect if you want a smooth workflow between mobile and desktop. Another fantastic option is VN Video Editor. VN is one of the best completely free editors for iPhone with no annoying giant watermarks on your exports. You get multiple layers, keyframes, speed control, transitions, and a pretty intuitive interface. It feels like a mix between something powerful and something approachable. If you want a lot of control but you don't want to pay yet, start with VN. It's very popular among creators who want more than CapCut but still don't want a complex pro editor. Let's talk about InShot. InShot is super popular for social media videos, especially if you post a lot on Instagram or TikTok. It shines when it comes to resizing, adding borders, adding text, music, and making your clips fit perfectly into vertical formats. Need to quickly crop, trim, add a cool song, throw on some text, and export in the right aspect ratio? InShot is built for that. It's the kind of app you open when you want something polished, but you don't want to think too hard about it. Another solid app is Splice. Splice is from the same company that makes GoPro, but it works great with any footage, not just action cams. It's really good for fast cinematic edits. You can trim your clips, add music that syncs to the beat, use transitions, filters, and export quickly. Splice is ideal if you're shooting travel videos, sports clips, or anything fast-paced, and you want something that feels clean and cinematic without diving into a super advanced interface. Now let's talk about KineMaster. KineMaster has been around for a while and is still one of the most feature-rich mobile editors. You get multiple layers, chroma key or green screen effects, blending modes, and detailed control over your timeline. It's not the simplest app to learn, but if you want something close to a traditional desktop editor, KineMaster is a strong contender. It's also great if you like to tweak every little part of your video and experiment with more complex effects. Of course, we can't ignore iMovie. If you have an iPhone, you probably already have iMovie installed, or you can download it for free. iMovie is perfect for beginners and for simple edits that still look clean and professional. You can drop your clips on a timeline, add titles, transitions, basic audio, and export in good quality. It also has templates for trailers and simple story-based edits. If you're just starting out and every other app feels intimidating, use iMovie first. It's stable, clean, and made by Apple, so it's well optimized for your device. Then we have Videoleap. Videoleap is like a hybrid between fun, creative editing, and more advanced tools. It offers cool visual effects, overlays, blending modes, text animations, and tools that help you make eye-catching edits for social media. If you like editing transitions, stylized montages, or artsy content, Videoleap gives you a lot of creative control while still feeling more approachable than something ultra-professional. Finally, if you're into action footage or you shoot a lot on GoPros or similar cameras, you should look at GoPro Quik. Even if you don't have a GoPro, GoPro Quik is great at automatically making highlight edits from your clips. You select your footage, pick a style, and it puts together something surprisingly polished with music and transitions. It's not a full-blown editor like LumaFusion, but it's perfect when you want something fast and energetic without spending much time. So let's quickly recap and match the best iPhone video editors to the kind of creator you are. If you live on TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, CapCut, InShot, and Videoleap are your main tools. If you want serious, almost desktop-level editing, go with LumaFusion or KineMaster. If you want a free but powerful all-rounder, try VN Video Editor or Splice. If you want something super beginner-friendly and rock-solid, start with iMovie. And if you want quick highlight reels, especially for action or travel shots, GoPro Quik can save you a lot of time. Now here's the secret to making any of these apps actually matter. The best editor is the one you'll actually use consistently. Don't just download 5 apps and never open them. Pick one that matches your current skill and goals, and give yourself a few days to really learn it. Play with transitions, try slow motion, add text animations, and export a few short videos even if they're just tests. The more you edit, the faster you'll get, and the more your videos will stand out. If you want recommendations based on your exact situation, here are 3 quick starter packs. If you're a complete beginner and just want to clean up clips, add music, and post, start with iMovie and InShot. If you're a short-form creator posting daily, go with CapCut and Videoleap. If you're serious about long-form content or filmmaking, get LumaFusion and keep VN or KineMaster as backups for different types of projects. Your iPhone is already powerful enough to create videos that look like they were edited on a computer. The difference between average and amazing is not the camera anymore, it's how you edit. So choose one of these apps, install it today, and create one video right after this. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be your first step. Because the more you create, the better you get, and the better you get, the more your videos will stand out from everyone else still scrolling and wishing they had started.